Want to extend Botox results? Prioritize Botox aftercare. Here are some essential Botox longevity tips for optimal results. Let's find out how to care for Botox properly. Avoid exercise and alcohol for 24 hours to prevent migration. Stay smoke-free and eat a healthy diet for the best Botox follow-up care. Protect your skin from the sun daily and hydrate by drinking plenty of water. Consider zinc supplements to make Botox last longer. Use gentle skincare products and sleep on your back to keep Botox in place. Reduce stress to maximize results. Come vibe with us. Like and subscribe. You should also have regular Botox treatments and combine them with other procedures such as microneedling, chemical peels, dermal fillers, and laser resurfacing. On the other side, it's preferable to refrain from facials, facial massage, gua sha, and other treatments involving mechanical pressure for several days to keep Botox longer. Follow these best practices to extend Botox results. Enjoy that youthful, refreshed look for as long as possible.